If there's no power to the inverter power socket, we will need to check the inverter. The inverter is located inside the seating area against the back wall. To access it, simply remove the top of the seat. First, check the power toggle switch is in the on position. Next, we need to ensure the plug is located securely and fully. The green light on the inverter should now be illuminated to show that it is in good working order. If the green light does not illuminate, you will need to call out an engineer to diagnose the issue. If the red alarm light is illuminated, this signals that the inverter has been overloaded. Unplug any appliances from the inverter powered socket, then turn the power toggle switch to the off position. Leave it in the off position for 10 seconds, then turn it back on to reset the inverter. If the green light is now illuminated, the inverter has been reset. If the green light does not illuminate, you will need to call out an engineer to diagnose the issue. If an appliance trips the inverter, then that appliance requires more power than the inverter can produce, so an alternative power source should be used. If the inverter trips when anything is used, you will need to call out an engineer to fix the issue.